All right, guys, welcome to a live trading session with me. Today's November 7th. I just got $700 profits from the markets, and it's about to be the 10 o'clock reversal. For those who do not know about trading, at 10 o'clock, not all the time, but about 90% of the times, the market reverses. So, just to give you perspective, this entire week, the market has gone up 1,000 points from here, which was 20,143.76 price point around, to 21,072, so 1,030. So at this point, because the market has gone up so far, it is likely that the market will reverse because it's reaching the highest point of the micro Nasdaq since it's ever been created. It's never been higher than 21,251. So since it's his first time reaching that level, it will most likely give a bounce back. That's very, very strong. That's number one. Number two, it has already entered a zone level of resistance here at the top. So that's two confirmations. And then number three, 10 o'clock is the beginning of the 4-hour candle and the 2-hour candle, and of course the hourly candle. So all those time frames together indicate a pretty strong momentum towards either the upside or the downside. And in this case, I am saying, my opinion, that it's going to go down. Now, I just want to remind everybody, I am not a financial consultant by any means. I'm just here sharing what I know and how I can help others earn income. I made $700 just now on a buy, and I'm going to show y'all, because this is such a strong trade idea or setup, I'm going to go ahead and sell and get some more profit. So here we go. I'm going to change it to the 1 minute time frame. I see that the market has not respected structure. It has pushed down here at 21,091 and 79. So in about 4 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and do a sell. I'm looking for the market to show me if it's gonna go above 21,079 or if it's gonna go below 21,050. So if I see an engulfing candle going downward, I'm gonna go ahead and sell, and then just watch and see. Now, for those of you who don't trade futures often, futures is different than Forex. Forex uses pips, futures uses points, and in the micro contract of NASDAQ, every tick is 50 cents. So every point is $2. So I'm going to trade 5 contracts and times that by $2, which is $10 a point. So for every point it moves like from 85 to 84, that's $10 that I'm either gaining or losing. So I just wanted to put that out there, because futures is a whole different metric system versus Forex. So this is why we don't get in earlier than the time frame of expiration time, because as you can see, it was looking like a sell and it faked us out and went all the way up. And it does that all the time. When it's at the zone of resistance or support, it does a lot of consolidation, the markets, and it takes a lot of money away from people. So you don't want to get in the zone. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Let me get out of here. Go to the mini, which I've marked up, and show you what I mean. So right now, this red box is where I drew the zone. 15-minute time frame. And these are all my level of interest where it bounces up and down. So if it doesn't pass below the zone, I'm not gonna get in until it goes below 2160-ish. So I'm just watching. I want this market to come down bearish, but as you can see, it continued up. I got out early, but it continued up. So we got about 2.5 minutes before 10 o'clock. And I'm gonna wait and see if this becomes an engulfing bearish candle to the downside. And if it does, then I'm gonna go ahead and most likely sell. So again, for those of you who do not know who I am, my name is E-Flat FTX. I am here running a Discord community of traders, both new and veterans. So if you're interested in joining my community, feel free to reach out, either DM me up, or you could go ahead and reach out through this, well, not through Discord, but just reach out to me and I'll give you details on how to join, because I go into details. I go deeper into details with my Discord community members who support what I do. And I break things down further. This is just an overview of a live trade and how much I'm making and stuff like that. So we got 1 minute left. The market has gone even higher, which is amazing. That's pretty good. Strong bullish sentiments towards the elections. Definitely predicting a brighter economical future for America and the companies that represent these markets of the NASDAQ. So very interesting. All right, we have about 30 seconds before the 10 o'clock time frame starts candle. So for those who don't know what I'm talking about, if you go to the 4-hour chart, right? Each candle represents 4 hours. So 10 o'clock is the next 4-hour interval and where the next candle is going to begin, which is so important. It is so important to understand that. 4-hour candle. So, yeah, it's good stuff. Here it is, guys. The 4-hour has begun. I'm going to zoom into the 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, just to look at this. Here we go. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for bearish candles for it to go all the way down. And then I'm going to go ahead and sell pretty much in a moment. You don't want to jump in too early. You don't want to sell too early because, like I said, the markets will fake you out and you will lose your money. So we don't want that. We want to wait till about maybe 10:15-ish Eastern time for me to make sure that it's going down for real. So there goes one minute candle. Let's go to the 5-minute. Let me move this over so we can see clearly. Let me zoom in some. Looking good right here. So one thing about the 1 minute and 5-minute candles, if you're not an advanced trader and you don't know what you're doing, the 1 minute candle does a lot of things to us. It gives us anxiety because obviously it's moving faster than the 15-minute, than the hourly candle charts. But if you don't know how to read structure in the markets, which I teach, you can get really confused really fast. You may think that the market's really pulling back down, but since it's such a tiny time frame, it's just bouncing up and down. And then it's gonna fake you out more than likely than normal. So you got to know what you're doing when you're dealing with the 5 minute time frames and the 15 minute or the 1 minute. My bad. So you'll see me switch from 1 minute just to look at this. Cool. And then 5 minute, because it's really not pushing that far down like it looks like it's pushing over here. So I want to make sure that it goes the distance at least to around here, 21,086, before I say to myself, okay, this thing is really going down. So I'm just testing it out. See, there it is. It's not really going down yet. So we'll just wait, stand by. Again, just for those who are joining me for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. I just want to, let you guys be aware that my Discord community right now is free. If you want to know how to join the community, just message me on Facebook or Instagram. My handles on Instagram is Nuyorican FTX or NYO Rican RICANFTX. So it is on Facebook as well. Just let me know if you're interested. There it is. It's going down where I wanted to go. But anyways, and I'll let you into the Discord community. And then in about 90 days, like when the new year starts, we're going to go ahead and start, with the subscriptions monthly. And we're going to show you the 3 levels of subscriptions and services that we're going to provide to give you a more customizable experience and more than just a Zoom session like this. So stay tuned. There's a lot to offer and a lot to gain. You're going to gain a lot of knowledge, experience. You're going to learn how to do risk management, how to fund your account with prop firms, how to win, how to succeed, how to withdraw money from Trade-of-8, a whole bunch of things. So it's going to be some exciting times in 2025. So you see what I'm telling you, folks? As I told you, we don't get in too early, because look what it did. Had I gotten in right here, I would have got excited. I would have got probably like 20 points, which is for me $200. But then I would have lost it all, and it would have went all the way up like that, and I would have been the negatives. So I'm just trying to show y'all live how evil the market is. Extremely evil. So let's see what the next candlestick gives us in the 1 minute time frame, and let me look at the 5 minute. Okay, so let's see what the 5 minute candle gives us. So what I'm thinking in my mind as I look at this candle, if it goes bearish with an engulfing candle with a lot of force, that's a good sign that is reversing. However, if it does not, that just indicates to me that it's trying to go all the way up here to the highest point of the market, which is the top of my zone right there, which is 218. So yeah, I could have went for a buy. I could go for a buy and get some profits, because I know where it's kind of going, but I don't know if I want to try that since it's inside of this resistance zone, level of resistance. I'm not sure. So I'm going to wait for a minute longer. So just to show y'all how much I made today. Wait a minute. Yep. So the charts here. The last trade. I made was $600 right here at 9:47 this morning. $600. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's good to look at your stats, see how consistent you're doing or how inconsistent you're doing. See here, 1 minute chart. Yep. There it is. It went all the way up, guys. It did not go down here as I suspected at 10. But again, doesn't mean that it won't go down at 10:15. So that's pretty much what I have for today. Just wanted to show you quickly the sentiments of the market, what I'm thinking for the 10 o'clock, how much money I made before 10 o'clock. And today, to me, I think that the market's going to continue to go bullish. It's the only way to respect structure. It's going up till Friday, and it may pull back here and there, but apparently the sentiments are strong about the elections and where the future of America's economy is going. So stay tuned. Again, subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in our next session. Y'all have a good day.